morning. Let's look at the second big idea in this lesson, completing the square to find the value of c to create a perfect square trinomial. What I need to do is actually take this number that's in the middle, 14, and divide it by 2, which gives me 7. My c value is equal to my b value divided by 2 and squared. So I already figured out what b divided by 2 was. So that's 7 squared, and that gives me 49. So I could write a perfect square trinomial, x squared plus 14x plus 49, because I could break that down into x plus 7, x plus 7. So my c value that I needed to make that true was 49. Let's look at another example. Here we need to think about what our value in the middle will be. So we know that c is equal to b divided by 2 squared. So our b value is 22. If we square that, it's going to give us 11 squared, which is 121. So I could have the expression x squared plus 22x plus 121. Because I could break that down into factors, x plus 11, x plus 11. So I know I have a perfect square trinomial, and our c value is 121. Let's look at one more example. Here we know our c value is equal to the b value divided by 2 and squared. So I'm taking a negative 9 divided by 2 and squaring that. Now because I'm dealing with a fraction, I'm actually going to write it as a fraction. I'm going to take 81 over 4. Because if I take a negative 9 and square it, it gives me 81. If I take 2 and square it, it gives me 4. So I would have a perfect square trinomial written like this. And if I was going to write a set of expressions, I would have x minus 9 over 2, and then x minus 9 over 2. So that this is the c value in order to write a perfect square trinomial. And that is the end of today's lesson at Big Idea Part B.